everyone, I'm Will, and today we're tempura frying some knotweed. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Right here we have some Japanese knotweed. It is not a type of bamboo. If you have seen my short video on it, explaining it's in the buckwheat family. But you can see also it has grown a little bit bigger. And you might be thinking, oh, it's too big to harvest because it might be a little bit too woody. But what we're harvesting is the tender parts, is when you like just easy kind of bend and snap, and it just snaps right off that simple using your thumb and your pointer finger and just slide right off. And where it naturally snaps off, you get this nice little tender part that we're going to fry up of tempura style. If you can get the younger shoots that are growing at the bottom, you can still use those, but where it snaps off naturally just at the internode parts, you can actually use those as a nice part of what we're using. And we're not using the leaves with this. I'm going to be using the leaves for like other food kind of thing, but we're going to fry up with just the stalks, where it's going to be almost like frying up like a green bean. If you want to start foraging today, go down in the description, click the link to my website to get the starter pack to foraging, to get all the books and equipment you need to start foraging for all your food and medicine from the wild today. So now we're inside, and after you picked off the leaves that you can use in another recipe another time, we're going to just use the stalks like green beans. And when you got that all cleaned up and ready to go, we're going to need a bowl. In the bowl, you need 1 egg white. And mix it up until it's all fluffy. And it just takes a couple seconds if you go quick. Now, you're going to add a half a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of water. Mix that up. Then add just a little tiny bit of salt. Mix it up. Now you want to turn the stove on to about medium, just under medium. Then for your dry mix, you're going to need a half a cup of corn flour, and then sprinkle in some mixed up salt. And stir it up. Now we're going to need to have a wet wash first to put before the dry mix and then the batter. So that egg yolk, whisk that up. Then add about a tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of water to the egg yolk and whisk it up. To check if your oil is ready, take a chopstick and stick it in the oil. If it starts bubbling, it is ready to go. Look at this. That looks fantastic. Let's try it. Which one should I go with? Want the big one. With the knotweed, the flavor gives a tartness to it because it's related to the rhubarb. Rhubarb has that tartness kind of point to it. And it has that. This is fantastic. I recommend tempura and frying your knotweed. This, wow. It has almost that green bean and then a little bit of a asparagus kind of flavor to it. It's good. Very mellow with the asparagus flavor, but it's there. Like back of the throat when you swallow it, there's a little bit, and up front a little bit more of the green bean, more of a vegetal. when you cook knotweed, it like gets a little bit soft, but this is like, because it's a fast fry, it still has a little bit of a crunch to it where it's a like bite down, and yeah, it's good. And that's how you tempura fry up knotweed. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 10,000 subscribers. And until next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.